Hi folks, welcome to the Richard Cheney channel. I'm Richard Cheney. Tonight we're going to talk a little bit about sound quality. Sound quality is the most important thing that you need to know. LP records, they've got a high-pitched quality sound, and the cassettes has a low pitch sound. How I know is sound quality, folks. Sound quality. When you compare both sound qualities, what do you come up with? The sound quality on an LP record or sound quality on a cassette tape? Well, I'll tell you how. When you listen to a cassette tape, the sound quality is low. And when you listen to sound quality on an LP record, the sound quality is high. And same goes with DVD movies. The picture quality and the sound quality on those are high definition. And the sound and picture quality on a VHS is low resolution. When you compare VHS tapes to DVD, there's a big difference in picture and sound quality on both items. When you watch a DVD movie or a VHS tape movie, the sound quality, picture quality is different on both items. One's got high definition and one's got low definition. But when you compare each item, you get different quality. When you watch a DVD or a VHS tape, you'll see the difference. Guaranteed, you'll see the difference. And you'll see how each quality is different. You'll see how each quality is different. All right. Let's take this for instance. This is a DVD movie. Now, when you watch this DVD movie, the picture quality on this DVD is different from the picture quality on the VHS tapes. Lot different. Because this is high definition. Remember that. This is high definition. And the VHS tapes are not. But how are you doing? How is your family doing? Hope you and your family's doing well. Me and my family's doing pretty good. Enjoying this weather and staying in out of the cold. And yesterday I got up, ate my breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Spent time with my mom, my family, and friends. Watched some movies. And waited on time to do the video. And that's what I done yesterday. And if you have any suggestions on what CD, DVD, LP record, or cassette you want to see, leave down in the comments, and I'll show you those items. And if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Refer this channel to a friend, relative, don't matter who, long as you share the news. Always remember to be kind, true, always have love in your heart, always respect others, and always treat people with respect, and always be there for your family and friends, and always make a friend if you can, and always remember to like, favorite, subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.